Hey YouTubers, today I finally received my white PSP Go. I've been eyeing for one for a long time. I do have the black one, which I don't have it on me right now, but let's just open it and see. I just received it this morning. Obviously it is a old box. I got it from eBay. I actually got it for a good price, and that's the back of it. A bit worn out box. That's the other side of it, and let's open it. So PSP Go, when you open it, that's the actual PSP itself. Let's put this aside for a second and see what else is in there. The seller I bought it from, he said it is a imported version, so it doesn't have the UK plug, so it's got the two-prong thing magic is that comes with that. That's the USB thing goes there, nothing much to say. And that's the connector with the USB. Obviously it takes its own unique connection thing. What else do we got there? User menu, PSP Go, some other stuff, quick guide, and media Go. Okay, that's all there is in the box. Let's see the actual PSP itself. Let's take the plastic thing off and let's have a look. So at the front you got the speaker grill, and you got the Bluetooth thing, Sony, and the Wi-Fi, another speaker, and PS button. Underneath you got a headphone jack and the charging and TV out thing. At the back, PSP logo, Sony, and you can see it's really good condition. There's not even a single scratch or anything on it. On the side you got power, and on this side you got the wireless switch, on off switch, and then M2 expansion. It does come built in 16 gig memory. So let's turn it on. You got the direction pad, and then you got the circle pad, and you got the normal buttons, and it did just turn on. The seller did say he charged it and whatnot, so we have to that's on hold, that's why. Give me 1 second, sorry, one hand video is going on here. So you have to unhold this, and then you can see internet, whatnot, obviously. And on the thing it's got, you can see the memory, it's got the demo of this, and that's about it. And the shoulder, left, right, and then the volume, brightness, and the speaker. Thank you for watching.